Let's create Chrome text effect in Canva. Open a project in Canva and then go to Element and type here Chrome. On the photos, click See All. Scroll down, choose your Chrome element. I will choose this one. And then go to Text. Scroll down, click this arrow. Click Type Cutout. Scroll down and select this Chrome element and click Use Selected Image. Type the text. For example, I will type just Chrome. Change the font here. I will change to Anton. Enter. Choose this one. This is a text outline option. I will use no outline here. And then click Add to Design. Select the Chrome element and remove it. Increase the size of the text. Go to Edit. Click Adjust. Reduce the brightness to -100. And then click anywhere here. And then click again the text. And then press Ctrl D on your keyboard. It will duplicate the text. In this trick, please avoid to use this duplicate button. Okay, now place the duplicate right on the origin precisely. And then go to your keyboard to the arrow buttons. Press 1 up. You can see when I press the arrow button, this box is disappear. It means that the step is done correctly. And then I will press 1 to right arrow. Okay. Now press Ctrl D on your keyboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can add more. 11, 12. It will make your text bolder. Now go to Edit. And go to Adjust. And then Reset Adjustment. Click it. Alright. So now you have it. A Chrome text effect with 3D effect. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.